Caterpillar CS553 roller service detail. Rear tire up axle, it may be SA50. Fuel filter 368 3976. Caterpillar element filter. Alternator belt 5L4996. Caterpillar OEM belt. Tire is 12 play rating. R3 170 kPa. The battery is 12 volt 100 amps. Front steel drum. The engine 3054. Displacement is 4.490. Caterpillar engine. Fuel priming pump with electrical operated. Engine is fitted with electrical operated. The alternator belt 5L4996 with double belt. The model is CS553E soil compactor. Evaporator is a CAT part number 3324188, and the tire is tubeless tire which is having the oil filter 7W2326, fuel tank cap, water separator 1R1804, hydraulic filter 1G8878, and the hydraulic breather 1833873. This is the Caterpillar part number of CS553. The tire is tubeless nylon tire, not a radial tire, and the hydraulic tank level gauge, hydraulic oil, advance 10, advance high efficiency filter 1G8878. Rear tire which is having up axle final reduction. Thank you for the service detail.